Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to prepare a quick and easy homemade hamburger with simple ingredients. So on weekend we don't cook. Jamaicans don't cook. Most Jamaicans don't cook. We would have grabbed for something quick and easy, or we grab some fast food. So with these simple ingredients, we'll show you how we prepare a hamburger from home, right? So here we have hamburger, reggae jamming hamburger. We have some lettuce and tasty cheese, salad, and cucumber. So first, we're going to heat the pot and add 2 ounces of butter. So we're going to melt the butter in the frying pan. If you have a grill, you can go ahead and use your grill, but today we're going to use the frying pan method, right? So we're just going to allow the butter to melt. Okay, so we're going to add the burger to the frying pan. So on medium to high heat, we add the frozen burger to the frying pan and allow to cook until it is baked on our liking, because some person like it medium cook and some well done. So I personally like my burger well done. So you just cook and turn until it is based on your liking, based on how you like your burger. So you see how the pot look now? I do all of the juice from the burger cause that, right? So we just cooking the burger, allow the burger to cook and turn it until it's based on our liking. So this is how my burger turned out. Wasn't that easy, guys? That was easy, right? So we're just going to prepare the vegetables now to add on the burger. So I like to wash it with some vinegar or lime juice. Yes guys, we also have french fries over here. So we're just cooking some french fries in the deep fry method, right? So you just add the frozen fries to the hot oil on high flame, and you just monitor it, ensure that they don't burn, and we're just going to cook them, right? So we're just going to prepare the vegetables now to start making that burger. So we're just slicing our salads and getting everything all prepared. So we finished prepping everything to go on the burger now. So we have grated cheese, grated tasty cheese, and we have the hamburgers. I like them like that. I like them very dark brown. You can do them however you like them. And here we have lettuce and the cucumber. Me love cucumber for everything me eat cucumber with. So I am going to add cucumber to my burger. And here we have sliced tomatoes, sliced salad. If you have even the tomato, then you take put in your food, you can even cut up some and put them on there. Whatever you have, you can use them to make this homemade hamburger. So we don't have to go Burger King. We can stay right here at home and make a nice Saturday burger. Okay, so we just have to put everything together. We'll soon come back. So we're going to make the hamburger. So first we get slice of bread. So this for 2 servings. We're going to add the hamburgers to the bread. Make sure your hands are clean. Then it depends on what order you want to add to the burger to make the burger. So I had the hamburger. After we add the hamburgers, we're just going to add the lettuce. So before you start adding the lettuce, ensure that you pat dry the lettuce and the cucumber, because if the lettuce is wet, it will let the bread saggy. So you want to ensure that you dry the lettuce first before you put it on the bread. So we just add in the cucumbers and the lettuce and so forth. So we're going to add the tomatoes, the salad or tomatoes if you have that. So me I make a Mount Everest. Make a Mount Everest, just adding stuff as I go along. Alright. So this is a close-up view, guys, looking very colorful and tasty. Can't wait for dive in. We're going to add the cheese to the bread. If you're a cheese lover, you can add more. If you don't like cheese, you can add less. But me love cheese, so I'm gonna add a whole heap of cheese on my bread. Right? Sorry about the noise in the background. So we're just adding some cheese, right? So it look nice. So we're going to flip the bread onto the burger. So you can add the cheese before or after. It doesn't matter, right? So in this video, I use National Slice all wheat bread. I don't like the hamburger breads because they are too light and flimsy. I like National thick slices, right? So you can go ahead and add mayonnaise, you can add onions, ketchup, mustard, whatever you want to add, you can add to your burger. So this is the final product. This is our homemade hamburger. Quick and easy homemade hamburger right in the comfort of your home. What more could you want than this? It requires less time, less ingredient. You can use whatever you have at home available. And you prepare yourself a homemade hamburger just like that. Want to try out more of our videos? Check these out.